Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to lift or remove a credit freeze with TransUnion. A credit freeze is a great way to protect your credit report from fraud. But when you need to apply for new credit, you have to temporarily lift or permanently remove the freeze. The good news is that unfreezing your credit report with TransUnion is free and you have a few easy options to do it. The fastest and most common way is online through the TransUnion Service Center. You can log into your account and select either to temporarily lift the freeze or to remove it completely. A temporary lift is a good choice if you only need a specific window of time for a lender to check your report, like when you're applying for a car loan. You can set the start and end dates, and the freeze will automatically go back into effect. Your second option is to unfreeze by phone. You can call TransUnion directly at 800-916-8800. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing your name, date of birth, address, and social security number. Finally, you can also submit a request by mail. Send a written request that includes your name, address, and social security number to TransUnion, P.O. Box 160, Woodland, Pennsylvania, 19094. Keep in mind that this method will take longer than doing it online or by phone. No matter which method you choose, it's important to know that you are in control of your credit and can manage your credit freeze as needed. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.